Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 11th of January 2018 and I will be analyzing SHRIRAM Transport Finance. This is one of the query in my WhatsApp group. Firstly, the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose, and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is only your responsibility, and I can't be held illegally responsible for your profit or loss. So Sriram Transport, this is monthly chart, and you see that the currently price action is facing resistance at around 1520. So this is something important, guys, that if at all it once it gives a breakout of this level, then we will see price action to move around 1800. So we have 300 upside on Sriram Transport, but only if we are able to see a breakout happening above this trend line. So let's say that as weeks and days pass, if Sri Ram Transport is able to gather a strength to cross over it, and let's say cross over 1540 and 1550, then we will see much higher levels. Around 1800 will be the first target that we will be seeing in Sri Ram Transport. So this is on monthly chart, this is positive, but if we see in the daily chart, on the daily chart, if we see currently, it might retrace a bit, maybe to around 1490 or something like that, maybe 1460 70. So it may come down, and that will be the level. If it is able to sustain over that and again it goes up from that level, then one can buy it. Or even if it starts to go up from this level, then one can then one should definitely wait, because this is important that it crosses the trend line which I showed you on the monthly chart. And once that is done, because momentum is good, currently it is showing that momentum is good. Only thing is, if the price action is able to be is can it be maintained over that, can it be sustained over the current levels to break this 1500 and 50 points. So if that can happen, then definitely we will see a level of around 1800. But not it does not mean that when I say that our target is 1800, you will start asking me tomorrow that okay, it is coming down a bit, it has come 10 points down. This is what happened in RCOM. So whenever I give target, it will take some time. It does not mean that I give target today and it will be realized tomorrow. So it will take time. This is going to be 300 points move, but that will also happen if the preconditions which I am given here, that the level of 1540 and 50 is taken out. So when that level is taken out, then only we will see a higher level of around 1500 1800. So that's it, guys. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.